So what you can also do is get formattings by using HTML code. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say write an article about the future of technology in 2 paragraphs right here. Make sure to highlight the important words and highlight them using different text colors right here, just like this. I can also say make sure that the title of the article is large right here and uses a specific color right here. I'm going to go around and say make the formattings by using HTML right here. So I gave all of the description for the formattings, and I also said make the formattings using HTML. Doesn't matter if there's some spelling errors, but let me just go around and just correct these out right here and then press send. So once I go around and do that right here, you can see that I get HTML color styles and everything else right here, just like this. I'm going to go around and say make this as an HTML document right here, as a HTML document, just like this. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then you can see that I have all of the HTML document right here with doc types and everything. So let's just go around and copy this out and paste this onto a notepad. And I'm going to go around and save it right here. So let's just go around and save it out as HTML or sample.html right here, just like this, and save it out as all files and click on save right here. So once I go around and do that, over here I have my file. So if I were to bring this in, then you can see that a different color is used right here, and there's some bolding out over here as well. And using HTML, you can see that there's some formattings right there, right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize and get formattings as you like by using HTML code inside of Google Gemini. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.